You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to reproduce a figure that is displayed at the left hand side of the screen using the principles of what? Of tangency. If you look closely, that figure is a bulb, electric bulb. So the first thing we have to do, since we are dealing with tangency, is to get the center. So I will take my pencil and I will locate a center, and I'll be taking this particular center in the figure. So if I should take my instrument, I will draw a long, short, long, short, long, short to start with, to denote my center line, because that is the line of symmetry. And I'll come here also, I'll do the same thing, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Can you see that? Now the diameter of that bigger circle, this center you see here, is center my arrow is pointing. The diameter of that bigger circle you see is given to be 50, and I'll take the radius of it in order to draw the diameter. So taking my radius, I'll measure it this way. From 0 to 25 is the radius of 50, right? So this 25 here, and I'll place at this center point, and I'll draw a circle, faint line first. Can you see that? Now the next thing I'll do is the height from the base of the circle to the highest point is given to be 76. So I'm going to measure 76 from that point, from 0 here, and I'll measure 76, 75, 76. Then I'll take this and I'll draw a line across that point of 76 I measured in this fashion. Faint line first. Now if you look at it, we are measuring a thickness of what? Diameter 6 for the first one. So I'll measure diameter of 6 for the first one. So from 0, right? I need to draw diameter of 6, so I'll measure 3 to the left, 0, 1, 2, 3. I will also measure 3 to the right, 0, 1, 2, 3, just to balance what I have here. How good. Then that is what's at the left must be equals to what was at the right. So I'll just take this, I'll draw it down a little bit, then I'll take this also, I'll draw it down a little bit. Hope you can see that. Now what we see here, we're told to draw, to get a chamfer at 45 degree. So, and I will just pick 2 millimeter here, and also here also, let me see 1 millimeter. Then I use my 45 degree to chamfer it up in this manner. And I'll chamfer it up too in this manner. Then I'll close it up. Hope you can see that. Then the next, the height, you see another one is going to be 6. So I'm going to measure 6 from here. From 0, I'll measure 6. Right? And I'll draw a line this way. And what do you notice again? The thickness again, the next one is given to be what? Diameter of 10. So I'm going to measure 10 from here. So from 0, right? I'll measure 5, 5 each. 5 to this part, and also 5 to this part. Hope you can see that. That is where I will take in my line to, from here to this point. So then I'll bring it down from that point. this way, and from here also this way. But we can see that. Then the length, which we're not given, so that is another distance of 6. So the distance from here is 6 again, height of 6 again. So I'll measure 6 and I'll close it up this way. And you can see that the thickness is 16 again for the next one where my arrow is pointing. And I'm going to measure 16 from 0. This is 8, that's half of 16, and also 8 here. So you spread it out, meaning that from this point to this point is thickened. And I'll bring it down straight ahead. Front line, then here also. Front line. Hope you can see that. Now what I'll do is this. From where there's an arc connecting these two circles together, and the rest of that arc is given to be what? 10. Am I correct? So what I'll do is, from where the arc touches this line here, I'll measure 10. So from here, measure 10. And I'll draw my line down. And I'll do the same thing for the other side too. So if it is 10, from here also, you measure another 10. From 0 to 10. Then I'll draw another line again. Are we there? So since it is going in, we assume the circle is external. So what we're going to do is we are going to now add. Since it's going in, like I always tell you, you have to fill, and filling means you are adding. So add 10 plus the radius of this bigger circle, and that is 25. 10 plus 25 is 35. Because the radius of the circle is 25, so we add 10 to it, it will be what? It will be 35. So if I place it this way, from 0 to 35. Hope you can see that. And you place it at this point here, you strike an arc, and you also strike an arc since it is vertically symmetrical. So if I place it at this point, where it meets this line here, I'll get my line. Out there. I'll come here too, I'll do the same thing. Can you see that? And I'll take my compass, take it to this point. I can also draw the circle. Then I'll close it up. So if you're finding this video helpful, please click on the subscribe button and also like the video. Now if you have any question you want to ask in the comment section. You close it up. And also here. And here too. So this is what we have. And you can just do your dimensioning. Do the rest. So if you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.